yazi uLerato Nxumalo should have left it alone, this thing le yakhe nendoda evezwayo. But my thing has always been also should have respected indoda. Angikaze ngiveze indoda yakhe anyways mina, but my thing is that now she's gone too far. I'm just like, Mamu give Sims, right? Oh my gosh, but Sims right here is one of the people, actually top 3. She was the first person who actually helped me to do my channels, basically my first channel. But I was just like, I love her, like her. She's herself, she's not trying to be anyone. Uhlezi AC phela something, she doesn't care about anyone who seems right. And uthi waposta nje phela, and apparently waposta nje phela umshado. And apparently she's been telling people ukuthi, no guys, musani post indoda eyayingafuna kathi vele nami ngishilo ke last week. So she receives an email from uLerato's lawyers to say ukuthi sicela ususe video. Uthe she's not taking anything down because akaza zabona indoda umuntu. Uthi wazwangibhora wena makoti waseSweden ngicela ungeke. uLerato naye, she must just concentrate on her man and honeymoon. She hasn't even been to honeymoon. She's just busy with people. Even you, just leave people like bayele. Bese uyibona leyo ndoda anyone khona uthe futhi eneni case umlungu mubi kanje. Like please just leave us alone. That is why anyways ubuloku umfihle awusiyeke. Ngoba nami ngisho njalo ngithi akayekela uSims right, akayekela abantu. You must just most even her friends were busy with her man manje ema Instagram. Akabe busy nalabo bantu, not us. Thina senze kuyibona leyo nto leyo. Mina ngisifaka phakathi koSims right endabeni zakhe. I'm just like, no, Sims right doesn't deserve that. Give guys like you've never seen. Wathi waze wangidina nansi ivideo yami esendele lawyer naye yami ivideo. Ngicela usungikhombisa ukuthi nginga indoda yakho ngitheni ngayo lapha ngifake. Ngicela usungikhombisa ngangiveze khona indoda yakho. I think she's pissed, you know why? Because she's one of the people who was just like, please guys stop. Nami ngasho last week ngathi guys, there's no need. Just leave Lerato alone so enjoy her man. Ngalendlela lafuna ukumenjoy ngayo mayelo kemfihla. Mfihla ngaze so imfihla la end, but it's for her guys. She must feel her man if she wants. Ubhale wathi naze nangidina. Kanje nakana ndaba ushilo uthi nje she doesn't give. She just doesn't give, and she doesn't give two hoots, and she was just like, and ama threats mina ke shem I don't take them well. Vele ngiubo uhlanya. So leave me alone.